Good evening. Coming from First Glance Weather, we're going to look at the national highs and lows for the United States, the highs and lows for the state of Florida, and the Pinellas County weather and the 5-day forecast. Starting out west, you're looking at highs upper 40s to the upper 50s and low 60s out west. In the central to the Midwest, you're looking at upper 50s to mid 60s. In the south central, you're looking in the upper 60s. In the Midwest, you're looking in the upper 60s. And in the Northeast, upper 50s to lower 60s, and some in this area right here, some upper 40s. And in the Southeast, upper 60s to the mid 70s. Now we're going to take a look at the highs for the United States. And we're going to start out west. This January, you're looking at mid 70s to lower 80s. In the north central, 80s to lower 90s. In central Midwest, upper 80s to lower 90s. In the south central, upper 80s to lower 90s. In the northeast, upper 70s to mid 80s. And in the southeast, upper 80s to about 90. Now, here's our severe weather for the next 8 days. This is today, a slight risk, and it's mostly wind event and hail event. And this is wind event as well here, and a marginal risk here for the next 3 days. Now, this is your Florida AM temperatures, northwest and north. You're looking at Pensacola, 72, Panama City, 68, 67 in Tallahassee, 68 in Gainesville, and 70 at Jacksonville. These are your lows north and northwest. This is your lows for central. Tampa, 72, Sarasota, 72, Orlando, 71, and Daytona, 71. Palm Bay, 73. This is your south, mid to upper 70s. Cape Coral, 73. Port St. Lucie, 71. West Palm Beach, 78. And Miami, 76. This is your afternoon temps for Wednesday in the state of Florida. The northwest and north, mid 80s. From Pensacola to Panama City, Tallahassee, Gainesville, and Jacksonville, between 84 and 85 degrees. Central upper 80s to about 90. 89 in Tampa, 90 in Sarasota, 86 in Orlando, Daytona, 83, Palm Bay, 83. In South Florida, upper 80s to low 80s. 88 in Cape Coral, Port St. Lucie 85, West Palm 81, and Miami 83, with scattered showers and thunderstorms for the most part of the state. An area low pressure, as we can see in the Florida satellite, an area low pressure is out here, and it will be moving northeast, and it will be affecting the coastline of Florida Wednesday into Thursday, also possibly even into Friday. So this area low pressure and the national hurricane gives it a 10% the next 2 to 5 days, and next 7 days they may give it up to a 20% chance of possibly developing into a tropical system. So we need to keep our eyes on that. So all this moisture is going to be affecting all the coastline, and then thunderstorms throughout the day. Thunderstorm outlook for Wednesday, and we're looking 10 to 20 to 30% out in the northern Gulf, between 50 and 70% in north central Florida, between 30 and 50% in the northwest part and the northeast part, all the way down in the center part of the state. Around Tampa Bay area, we're looking at 60 to 70% chance. In South Florida, we're 70 to 90%. So that's this area right here, 90%. This is your thunderstorm outlook for Wednesday. Now this is our Pinellas County daytime weather forecast, and we got weather, showers and thunderstorms. Your winds up from the east at 8 to 10 miles an hour, and the chance of rain is 50% of thunderstorms tomorrow. Wednesday night, first glance weather shows, this is Wednesday night, shows showers and thunderstorms. The winds continue from the north, then the northeast, and then the east at 8 to 10 miles an hour, and the rain chance continues at 50%. This is for Pinellas 5-day weather forecasts, and looking ahead to Thursday, we're looking at showers and thunderstorms, 80%. Winds are from the east at 8 miles an hour, 86 for the high, 72 for the low. Friday, 70% chance of rain and thunderstorms. East winds at 9, 85 and 72 for the low. Saturday, 40% east-northeast winds at 11, 85 for the high and 72 for the low, with 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms. 20% on Sunday with partly cloudy skies. North winds at 11, 86 for the high, 72 for the low. And Monday, I'm calling right now for no chance of rain. North winds at 13 miles an hour, 85 for the high and 75 for the low. First Glance of Weather wants to thank you for watching our YouTube channel from your lead forecaster Jeffrey A. Gentry and Sports O'Clock. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button so you can get the new notifications. Have a great evening, and we will see Wednesday night for Thursday's forecast. Thank you and have a great evening.